there, Quiz Masters! A huge thank you for coming back to Quiz Wizard. Your return means the world to us, and we're so glad to have you here for more brain-busting fun. Before we jump into the game, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready for some fun, and don't forget to ring the bell.
Welcome to the Ultimate Animal Sound Guessing Quiz. Think you know your animal sounds? Get ready for a wild ride. In this game, you'll hear 14 different animal sounds, and you only have 3 seconds to guess each one. Can you beat the clock and guess them all? Test your skills, and let's see how many you can get right. Make sure to comment below with how many you got right. Can anyone get a perfect score? Let's find out. Which animal sound is this? The correct answer is dog. Let me tell you a fun fact. Did you know? Dogs can hear sounds 4 times farther away than humans. Which animal's sound is this? The correct answer is cat. Let me tell you a fun fact. Cats use their meows to communicate with humans, not other cats. Which animal's sound is this? Correct answer is cow. Assam. Let me tell you a fun fact. Cows have best friends and can get stressed when they are separated. Which animal's sound is this? The correct answer is elephant. Let me tell you a fun fact. Elephants are the only mammals that can't jump. Which animal's sound is this? The correct answer is lion. Let me tell you a fun fact. Lions are the only big cats that live in groups called prides. Which animal's sound is this? The correct answer is horse. Let me tell you a fun fact. Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. Which animal's sound is this? The correct answer is sheep. Let me tell you a fun fact. Sheep have excellent memories for faces and can recognize up to 50 other sheep. Which animal's sound is this? The correct answer is frog. Let me tell you a fun fact. Frogs absorb water through their skin, so they don't need to drink. Which animal's sound is this? The correct answer is rooster. Let me tell you a fun fact. Roosters crow to mark their territory and warn others to stay away. Which animal's sound is this? The correct answer is owl. Let me tell you a fun fact. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Which animal's sound is this? The correct answer is duck. Let me tell you a fun fact. Ducklings are born with their eyes open and are able to walk. Which animal's sound is this? The correct answer is monkey. Let me tell you a fun fact. Monkeys use facial expressions to communicate with one another. Which animal's sound is this? The correct answer is wolf. Let me tell you a fun fact. Wolves communicate with howls, and each one has a unique voice. Which animal's sound is this? The correct answer is dolphin. Let me tell you a fun fact. Dolphins are one of the most intelligent animals, with complex social structures.